this example, I'm going to look at how you can use an edge of a part to pattern a hole or any feature. So I've created this block angled just to sort of show how it stays linked, and if I select the hole, I can come up to here to my pattern options and use the pattern along curve, select the edge, accept it, select the point and direction. Now the trick here is that notice we've got a count of 4. It's offset from the edge of the part here, or the end point of the edge. So if I change it to a fixed length, I can then specify that I want it to be say 80 spaced, knowing that this is now 300 wide. We've got a 30mm gap at both ends, and I can accept that, and that gives me my pattern. You'll also see that if I pick on this edge here and drop that up to the end point, I can actually rotate that edge and the pattern will remain linked to that edge. So just an example. Obviously, we're in synchronous. This would work in ordered as well. I can come in here and change that. So I could say I wanted 3 and 120, and that still adjusts to that edge.